Hello students, today we are going to study the extra exercise for chapter 2, that is nutrition in animals, for class 7 NCERT science subject. So before starting this exercise, let me recall some important points of this chapter, nutrition in animals. So in that chapter we had seen animal nutrition include nutrient requirement, mode of intake of food and its utilization in the body. The components of food such as carbohydrates, lipids, proteins are complex substances, and this complex substance cannot be utilized as directly, so it is necessary to convert them into simple substance. Then we had seen the conversion of complex components of food into simpler substance is called digestion. Then we had seen the various modes of feeding are scraping, chewing, siphoning, capturing, sucking and swallowing. Then we had seen the human digestive system. It is consists of the alimentary canal and secretory glands, and it consists buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, that is ending in rectum and anus. Then we had seen the main digestive glands are the secretory, salivary glands, liver and pancreas, which secrete saliva, bile and pancreatic juice respectively. Then we had seen that the inner wall of stomach and small intestine secrete digestive juices, that is namely gastric juice and intestinal juice. Then we had seen nutrition in a complex process which involves ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. In human, partial digestion of carbohydrates in buccal cavity, partial digestion of proteins in stomach and digestion of carbohydrates, proteins and lipid are the completed in small intestine. Its digestion occur in the small intestine. Then we had seen by complete digestion, carbohydrates into glucose, fats into fatty acids and glycerol, and protein gets converted into amino acids. Then we had seen that herbivores, which is also known as ruminants, quickly ingest and swallow grass and store it in a part of stomach, which is known as rumen. And later the food returns to the mouth from this rumen and animal chews it. And this is called rumination. This process is known as the rumination. Then we had seen amoeba is an unicellular microscopic organism, and it ingests its food with the help of false feet, which is also known as pseudopodia. The food is then digested in the food vacuole. The undigested residue is thrown out by the vacuole. So now let me start the exercise of this chapter. In this first question, that is choose the correct answer or MCQ. So in that first one, which of the following is the mode of feeding in python? Option is given to you, that is chewing, sucking, rumination and swallowing. So your answer is swallowing. The mode of feeding in python is swallowing. Next question is the digestion of which component of food begins in the buccal cavity? So that is option is starch, fats, vitamins and protein. So your answer is starch. The digestion of starch begins in the buccal cavity. The next is which taste can be detected by the tip of the tongue? Sour, salty, bitter or sweet? So sweet taste can be detected by the tip of the tongue. The next question, 4 number, partial digestion of which of the following occurs in stomach? The options are starch, fat, that is lipid, protein and cellulose. So your answer is protein. Partial digestion of protein occurs in stomach. The next question is, which of the following is a complex component of food? Glucose, starch, water or amino acid? So the answer is starch. Starch is the complex component of the food. The next question, in which organ the digestion of carbohydrates, fats and protein is completed? Options are large intestine, esophagus, stomach or small intestine. So your answer is small intestine. The digestion of carbohydrates, fats and proteins occur in small intestine. The next question, which simple substance is formed during the digestion of protein? Glucose, cellulose, fatty acid or amino acid? So your answer is D, amino acid. Protein is converted into the amino acid during the process of digestion. So amino acid is the simpler substance. The next question, which are the villi located? Where are the villi located? First option is in stomach, next in small intestine, in large intestine or in esophagus. So answer is in small intestine. Villi are located in the small intestine. Next is, in which organ are digestive juices not produced? Options are in salivary gland, in stomach, in small intestine or in large intestine. So your answer is in large intestine. In large intestine, the digestive juices are not produced. The next is, which of the following animal can digest cellulose? The option is human, cow, dog or cat. So your answer is cow. Cow can digest cellulose. So here the answer of your MCQ or choose the correct option is given to you. You can check from here. The next question, that is fill in the blanks. The first blank. The adult human being has blank teeth. So the adult human being has 32 teeth. So your answer is 32. Next is, in the mouth, saliva converts starch into blank. So in the mouth, saliva converts starch into sugar. So sugar is your answer. Next is, bitter taste can be detected on blank region of the tongue. So bitter taste can be detected on the posterior region of the tongue. That means at the end of the tongue, that is posterior. The next is, in an adult human being, generally there are blank molar teeth. So there are 12 molar teeth in adult human being generally. So your answer is 12. Next is, bile is stored in blank. So bile is stored in gallbladder. This juice is stored in the gallbladder. The next is, the inner wall of the small intestine secretes blank. So the inner wall of the small intestine secretes intestinal juice. Next blank, 7 number, the carbohydrates after digestions get converted into simpler sugar called blank. So the carbohydrates after digestion get converted into simple sugar, that is glucose. So glucose is your answer. The next is, digestion of blank gets converted into amino acid. So which component is converted into amino acid? So the digestion of protein gets converted into amino acids. So answer is protein. Next is, the bile plays an important role in the digestion of blank. So the bile plays an important role in the digestion of fats. The answer is fats. Next is, ruminants, animals eat and swallow the grass quickly and store it in blank. So the ruminant animals eat and swallow the grass quickly and store it in rumen. So your answer is rumen. Here the answer of the blanks is also given to you. Now let me see the next question, that is question 3, that is give only answer for the following question or one word answer. First question in that, from which organ does the digestion of food begin? So your answer is buccal cavity. From buccal cavity, the digestion of food begins. Next is, who performs the function of churning of food? So stomach is perform the function of churning of food. So the stomach is your answer. Next is, which organ of the alimentary canal has the widest region? So stomach had the widest region in the alimentary canal. So stomach is your answer. Next 4 number, which digestive juice is produced in liver? So in liver, bile juice is produced. So your answer is bile juice. Next is, which digestive juice is produced in pancreas? So pancreatic juice is produced in the pancreas. So your answer is pancreatic juice. Next, which digestive juice is produced in the wall of small intestine? So in small intestine, intestinal juice is produced. Next is, what is the approximate length of small intestine in meters? So the approximate length of small intestine is 1.5 meters. The approximate length of small intestine is 7.5 meters and the length of large intestine is 1.5 meter. So the answer for 7 number, that is 7.5 meter, the length of small intestine. Next is, in which organ is the process of food digestion complete? So in small intestine, the process of food digestion complete. What is the approximate length of large intestine in meters? So now your answer is 1.5 meters. The approximate length of large intestine is 1.5 meter. Next is, what are the front teeth of the jaw called? So the front teeth of the jaw is known as the incisor. Next is, which digestive juice can digest carbohydrates, fats and proteins? So pancreatic juice can digest carbohydrates, fats and proteins. Next is, which secretory gland is located just under the stomach? So pancreas is located just under the stomach. The next 13 number, by which amoeba ingests the food? So amoeba ingests the food by the help of pseudopodia or false feet. The next is, what are the finger-like projections pushed out in an amoeba called? So it is known as the pseudopodia. So answer is pseudopodia. Next is, where does the digestion and absorption of food occur in an amoeba? So the digestion and absorption of food occur in food vacuoles in amoeba. So here the answer of your question is also given to you. Now next question, that is true or false. In that first one, the process of ingesting the food in body is called digestion. So your answer is false. It is not known as digestion. The next is, sweet taste can be detected at the posterior region of the tongue. So again your answer is false. It can be detected at the tip of the tongue. The next is, partial digestion of protein occurs in stomach. So your answer is true. Next 4 number, the anterior region of small intestine is called duodenum. So its answer is true. The anterior region of small intestine is called duodenum. The next 5th number, the functions of producing bile is performed by gallbladder. So your answer is false. It is stored in the gallbladder. It is not produced by gallbladder. The next 6 number, small intestine is shorter in length than the large intestine. So answer is false. The length of small intestines is more than the large intestine. Next is the digestion of food does not occur in large intestine. So it is true. The digestion of food does not occur in the large intestine. Next, 8 number, grass eating animals quickly swallow the grass and later it returns to the mouth for proper chewing. So its answer is true. Next is amoeba is an unicellular organism. So also again answer is true. Next is in amoeba digestive juices are secreted into the food vacuole. So answer is true. Here the answer of your true false is also given to you. Next question is answer the following questions in one statement or one sentence. So let me start with the question answer. First question, mention the types of teeth according to their functions. So types of teeth according to their functions in that first type, that is incisor, that is used for cutting and biting. So it is known as cutting and biting teeth. Next is canine, it is used for piercing and tearing. So it is piercing and tearing teeth. Next is premolar and molar. So these are known as the chewing and grinding teeth. So there are major 3 types of teeth are there in our mouth. The next question, mention the number of milky teeth and permanent teeth in human being. So in human being, number of milky teeth are 20 and the number of permanent teeth are 32. Next question, what happens if 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution are poured on boiled rice? So if 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution are poured on boiled rice, it turns blue or black in color. The next question, 4 number, what is the anterior region of small intestine called? So the anterior region of small intestine is called duodenum. It is known as the duodenum. Next is which digestive juices mix with food in small intestine. So in small intestine, 3 digestive juices, that is bile, pancreatic juice and intestinal juice, mix with the food. Next question, digestion of which components of food occur in small intestine? So digestion of carbohydrate, fat and protein components of food occur in small intestine. Next question, which are the necessary organs of digestive system? So the accessory organs of digestive system are secretory glands such as salivary gland, liver and pancreas. So these are accessory organs of the digestive system. Next question, 8 number, what is secreted from the inner lining of the stomach? So the inner lining of the stomach secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid and digestive juices, that is gastric juice. So these are secreted by the inner lining of the stomach. Next is, what is the function of mucus in the stomach? So the mucus protects the lining of the stomach. This is the function of mucus. Next is, what is the function of hydrochloric acid secreted in stomach? So the hydrochloric acid secreted in stomach kills many bacteria that enter along with the food and makes the medium acidic in the stomach and helps the digestive juices to act. So this is the function of hydrochloric acid. Next is, what is the function of bile? So bile provides alkaline medium in small intestine and helps in the digestion of fats. So this is the function of bile juice. The next is, what are absorbed from undigested food materials in large intestine? So water and some salt are absorbed from the undigested food material in large intestine. The next question, state the location of liver. So the liver is situated in the upper part of the abdomen on the right side of the stomach. This is the location of liver in our body. Next is, what is cellulose? Cellulose is a complex form of carbohydrate. Next is, what is the function of pseudopodia in amoeba? So pseudopodia in amoeba capture the food and help in movement. So this is the function of the pseudopodia or false feet in amoeba. Now next question is define. Define the following. First in that is food. The definition of food. So the substance that supply nutrients to the body are called food. Next is digestion. So process of the breakdown of complex components of food into simpler substance is called digestion. Next is nutrition. So a process of intaking of food and its utilization in the body is called nutrition. So these are the definition. So next question is, write the difference for the following. That is difference between small intestine and large intestine. So first difference between small intestine and large intestine. So in small intestine it is highly coiled and is about 7.5 meters long, whereas large intestine is wider and shorter than small intestine and it is about 1.5 meters long. Next difference between these two is in small intestine. Digestion of food and absorption of nutrients occur in small intestine and only absorption of water and some salts from the undigested food occur in the large intestine. The next difference is secretion of intestinal juice occur in the small intestine and in the large intestine the fecal matter, that is feces, formed and removed by the large intestine. So this is the difference between small intestine and large intestine. The next question is matching. Match the following. This two column is given to you. First column A, in that first column saliva, bile, hydrochloric acid and intestinal juice is given to you. And in column B, stomach, buccal cavity, small intestine, large intestine and liver, that is organ of the body is given to you. And in column A, the secretory juices is given to you. So first saliva. So it is secreted in buccal cavity by the salivary gland. So your answer is buccal cavity. Next is bile. So it is secreted in liver. So liver is your answer. Next is hydrochloric acid. So it is secreted in stomach. So answer is stomach. Last is intestinal juice. So it is secreted in small intestine. So your answer is C, small intestine. So these are the answer of your matching. So here our chapter 2, that is nutrition in animals, get over, and now in the next video we will see the next chapter, chapter 3 of NCERT book. Thank you.